Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Travis. I'm here with SoL-Ryde, about to make your ride one to remember. Tune up. Hey, what's up? Glad you guys tuned in. My Patreons. I'm here with SoL-Lock over here. This is my baby. Is that? Can you see that? Doesn't hide that dookie on my. Don't look. I've got something really special planned coming up. I've already purchased a nice project for us, the one with the fiber optic cable. I already sent the purchase in, so I'm waiting for a callback right now. See if how long it's going to take for the parts to come in, and then once I get those parts, I'm going to drive on in on one of my off days from work, and I'm going to get that installed, and I'll have an installation video ready and up and ready. I'm going to record while I'm there, and as soon as it's done, I'm going to upload it so you guys, my patrons, can see what's happening. The fiber optic cable, which is connected to the speaker, which means that you guys can play your music on there, and the lights will pulse with the music. It's going to look so awesome. I'm so excited to see how you guys can react to that. Not only that, but if you see my car at night, it is super dark. So not only am I adding the lights with the pulsing music, but also I'm adding accent lighting that goes into footwells, because I can barely see the person sitting next to me, and we're having a conversation while I'm driving them to their lift, when I'm driving them to their destination. It's really hard to see them. So I would like to be able to see people's faces. I got a couple extra plans coming, and they are probably going to be connected more to lighting, because like I said, I want to be able to be seen. I want you guys to be able to see me, because as you can see, my car is pitch black. I would like you guys driving to a destination, say it's nice and dark, there's no lights and whatnot. I want you guys to be able to notice my car coming up. So I'm going to be adding my future plans, hopefully, to get some accent lighting underneath the wheel wells, and not underneath the wheel wells, underneath the carriage of the car, kind of like neon lighting, so you guys can see me coming. Probably going to be one of the only lift cars that have one of those, so it's going to be sick. You guys are definitely going to be able to recognize me. I don't have one of those lift things, you know, that little sign that says lift in front of the car. I don't have one of those yet. So I would like to get something to make my car pop out a little bit more, so you guys can definitely see me. Another future plan, probably that's in the works, is going to be getting window tinting. It's definitely, it might be winter right now, but it's definitely going to get hot again. So I want to make sure the car is nice and tinted. Not only that, but when it's nice and dark, and the lights are flashing, I don't want other drivers to be distracted by all the lights that are in my car. I definitely don't want to distract anybody else while they're driving. Just want to make sure we're safe. After that, it's probably going to be a headlights right here. These are the stock headlights. After that, I'm going to customize those lights and everything. Then that's it. Like, that's all I have planned for right now. I really hope that you guys continue to support me. I want to thank you, and I really appreciate all your guys' support. Keep it up, because every dollar really counts. I want to make your guys want to remember. I want you to be able to remember me. I want you to be able to say, hey, that ride was really cool. I hope we meet that guy again and see what else he has planned. That's the feeling I want you guys to get. I want it to be an experience. Higher tiers people, we're going to be showing you the installation video, so definitely tune in on that. So thank you guys for tuning up. Now it's time to ride along.